Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we're going to install Cloud Foundry CLI or CF CLI on Windows. If we need to use CF like this, this message appear and tells me the CF is not installed. We should install it first and then use in our project. For that matter, if you type this sentence on Google, the result appears, shows the original website. I've already opened it, and as you can see, there are instructions for Linux and Linux OS and Mac OS, but for Windows we should use a compressed binary. Because of that, for that matter, you should open this link or here, releases. I've already opened both of the links, and there are installer for Windows and also other operating system here. Also here, installer Windows 64-bit. You can download from here or here. After you download the zip file, you should extract it and easily run as administrator. Next, here you should, as you know, the path for CLI. Now, without needing to restart the Windows, I just close the command prompt and open it again, and now type cf-help again, and as you can see, the CF is installed correctly. Have a good day. Goodbye.